Exercise 3.4. Question number 1, fourth part. By using elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination method we have to solve it. Students, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now student, first of all we will make a simple pair of linear equation by taking LCM. Students, in first linear equation we will take the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 6. Students, 2 3s are 6, 3x plus 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. That is equal to minus 1. That is x by 1. Now students, and LCM of 1 and 3. 3. Now student, 1 3s are 3, that is 3x minus 3 1s are 3, 1 into y. That is equal to 3. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here?
No.
Now student, your pair of linear equation becomes 3x plus 4y 6 into minus 1, that becomes minus 6. That is first linear equation in two variables. And 3x minus y, that is equal to 9. That is second linear equation in two variables. Second linear equation in two variables. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Students, it becomes very easy question for you. There is already coefficient of x equal. Now, what do you want to make the if here the coefficient of x is already equal, there is no need to multiply it. But if you want to eliminate y, you have to multiply it.
Yes, sir. Then you have to multiply with 1.
Multiply second equation by 4. Student, what do you want to eliminate?
So x.
It means you want to go in a simple path. Okay, students. Students, on subtracting equation second from equation first. Friend, any doubt, any problems? Sign change, that is cancel out. Plus 4y plus y. Five y. Now student, minus 6 minus 9. Minus 6 minus 9. Minus 15. Now student, we have to find out the value of y. We have to find out the value of y. To find the value of y, 4y, that is minus 15 by 5. 5 3s are 15. Y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Student, y is equal to minus 3. Now we have to find out the value of x. Putting y is equal to minus 3 in equation first, and your equation first is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Putting y is equal to minus 3 in equation first. Your first equation is 3x plus 4y
3x plus
minus 6. Now students, 3x replace y with minus 3, that is minus 6. Now students, please tell me that is 3x. 4 3s are 12, minus 12. That is becomes minus 6. 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 12. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. X is equal to 2. Student, any doubt, any problems?
no, sir.
Now students, question number 2, second part from exercise 3.4. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Students, let present age of Nuri be. Let present age of Nuri be x years. Student, any doubt?
No, sir.
And present age of Sonu B.
5 years.
Y years. Students, 5 years ago means minus.
Before.
5 years ago means past. 5 years ago, the age of Nuri was. The age of Nuri was. Students, 5 years ago. If your present age is 15 years, what was your age 5 years ago? 15 minus 5, that is 10 years. Student, 5 years ago, the age of Nuri was. Student, please tell me. X minus 5 years. Yes, student, very good. X minus 5 years. Students, 5 years ago, the age of Sonu was. Y minus 5 years. Okay, students. Now, according to first condition, according according to first condition. According to first condition. First condition. Students, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice. Thrice means. Thrice means.
3 times.
Twice means. Twice means. Twice means
2 times.
2 times. Students,
2 times.
students, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Student, 5 years ago, age of Noori was x minus 5 years, and 5 years ago, age of Sonu was y minus 5 years. Students, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice the age of Sonu. To equalize it, we will multiply by which age? Whose age we will multiply by 3? Noori age and Sonu's age. Noori's age and Sonu's age. By which age we will multiply? To equalize it, we will multiply the Sonu's age by 3. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Okay, students. Now, student, we will solve and make the pair of linear equation in two variables. Student, x minus 5. Now, students, we will multiply it by 3. 3 into y. 3 into y. 3y. Minus.
Minus 50.
3 5s are 3 5s are
50.
15. Now, student, we will transfer the variable on one side and constant term to other sides. Now, students, x 3y we will transfer from right hand side to left hand side. So plus sign change into minus sign. That is 3y. Now, student, minus 15 minus 5 change into minus 5. That is plus 5. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here? X minus 3y,
Those.
that becomes minus 10. That is your first pair of linear equation in two variables. Student, any doubt, any problems up to here?
No.
If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. You can ask me. Now, students, 10 years later. 10 years later means after 10 years. After
Adding
10 years, the age of
10 years will be added.
Noori will be, students, after means we will talking about futures, will be
X plus 10.
x plus 10 years. Now, students, after 10 years, the age of Sonu will be,
9.
yes, students,
9 plus 10.
y plus 10 years. to second condition. According to second condition, students, after 10 years, age of Nuri was x plus 10, and after 10 years, age of Sonu was y plus 10 years. Students, after 10 years, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Student, after 10 years, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. To equalize it, we will multiply by which age? Nuri's age and Sonu's age. Why?
2.
Multiply it by 2. Sonu's age we will multiply by 2. Now student, what is your first equation? X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Now students, x plus 10 is equal to twice of y plus 10. To equalize it, we will solve the equation, that is x plus 10, that is 2y plus 20. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Now student, we will transfer variable on one side, that is x minus 2y 20 minus 10. X minus 2y, that is 10. That is equation second. Student, your first equation is now x minus 3y. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10 is your first pair of linear equation in two variables, and x minus 2y is your second pair of linear equation in two variables. Students, now we have to find out the value of x and y. We will solve it by using elimination method. The coefficient of x is already equals. What do you want to eliminate, x or y?
So, 1.
Why?
X.
Friends, decided what do you want?
Yes, sir.
X. Okay, student.
Yes.
Minus, plus, minus. Student, on subtracting equation second from equation first, we get, students, here is plus x, here is minus x, that is cancel out. Minus 3y plus 2y, that is minus y. Minus 10, minus 10, minus 20. So it becomes y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20. Now student, putting y is equal to 20 in equation first, we get, putting y is equal to 20, in equation first, we get, students, pair of linear equation in two variable is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Now students, replace y with 20. Now student, replace y with 20. That is minus 10. Now x 20 threes are minus 16. Student, minus 10. Now minus 10 plus 16. X is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. Now student, present age, therefore present age of Noori B, that is 50 years, and present age of Sonu B, that is 20 years. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.